In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome videos not playing, 2025 guide. If videos won't play in Chrome, start with the basics. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can make videos stutter or stop altogether. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or briefly switch to a different network to compare. A quick restart of your modem or router often clears up temporary network glitches. Next, make sure Chrome itself is up to date. Outdated versions can break video playback on modern sites. Open Chrome, go to Settings, then About Chrome. Chrome will check for updates and install them automatically. Close and relaunch the browser when it's done. If the issue persists, clear your cache and cookies. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time, and select cookies and cached images and files. Clearing this removes corrupted temporary files that can block videos. Keep in mind, clearing cookies may sign you out of some sites, so have your logins handy. Now try Incognito mode. Press Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or CMD+Shift+N on macOS to open a private window and load the video there. If it plays fine in Incognito, there's a strong chance an extension in your regular profile is causing the problem. Let's move into advanced troubleshooting. Turn off hardware acceleration, which can sometimes conflict with your graphics driver. Go to Settings, then System, and toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Chrome will ask you to relaunch. Do that and test your video again. If the problem started recently, disable extensions one by one to find the culprit. Go to Settings, then Extensions. Toggle an extension off, test the video, and repeat. When the video suddenly works, you've found the cause. Keep that extension off or look for an update or alternative. Verify that JavaScript is enabled, since many video players depend on it. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, then JavaScript, and make sure it's set to Allowed, Recommended. If nothing has worked so far, reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings, then Reset and Clean Up, and choose Restore settings to their original defaults. This resets things like startup pages, search engine, and disabled extensions, but it doesn't delete your bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Chrome for a clean slate. Before you do, back up anything important or sign into Chrome's sync so your data can be restored. After reinstalling from the official site, sign back in and test your videos. That's it. Follow these steps in order, and you should have Chrome playing videos smoothly again.